Good morning. I am very tired this morning. I didn't get to bed until almost 3 last night, and I don't know, do I need to loosen this? Anyway, I just couldn't go to sleep. And this is my second cup of coffee already. This is the mug. This was a gift to me from Anthropologie, I believe it's from them. I've never shopped at Anthropologie, but I love this mug, and it's from one of my good friends, Jamie, who is Random Fandom Bags, right? I mean, right, she is Random Fandom Bags, but I'm pretty sure this is from her. Jamie, this is from you, right? I think it is. Anyway, today I have to clean the studio, my side. I was gonna do that yesterday, but I ran out of energy and willpower, and I need to get that order I talked about out, and then get started on orders that were supposed to go out Friday that need to go out today, and a couple, I think, Etsy messages to respond to. So yeah, and an email apparently. And then after that, I thought there was something else I was gonna do. I don't know. I'll remember at some point, maybe, if it was important. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna go do stuff. I'm not sure if you guys would have seen, I'm also kind of sweaty already, so I have the air conditioner on over there, so I'm going to talk kind of loud right now and then just mute all the sound so that you can see. But I don't think I showed you the charms from yesterday, like up close, so I'm going to show you real quick, because what else are we doing? And they're all in the shop now. They don't have free shipping currently because of all the drama that I mentioned yesterday, and yeah, they're available now, and I should have more charms going into the shop this week once I get caught up, so I'll show you. So I don't have much to report other than I'm still here. I'm working on a wholesale order, which you can't see. It's really hot in the studio because it's like 90 degrees outside. I'm on my 3rd cup of coffee. I did have a nap for from like 10 to noon, which might sound like a big nap for some people, but it still didn't feel like enough. And honestly, I don't know that I will have a ton to show you guys until tonight, but I have lots of knitting plans. Oh, I did go through some of my project bags, and I don't want to say frogged anything yet, because I had a few bags that I had put together for projects I was planning, but I'm not going to do those now. I have too many things I'm inspired by, and I'm just going to focus on those. Also, my tattoo is really itchy today. It's very itchy, so I'm trying to stay distracted so that I don't just scratch it, because that's all I can think about is scratching it. So yeah, I'm gonna put my fan back on and keep working, and probably check in with you guys at supper time, because I think that's the first time I'll have content for the day that I can actually show you. this was a very boring second day. And I don't think you guys can see me very well. Okay. I just worked all day on that wholesale order, which is done now. It's midnight, almost exactly midnight. Pretty much just played 7 days after the kids went to bed because I was too tired to finish the catacomb mittens, which are supposed to come out by Halloween, and they are not done. I'm really close to being done, and then we need to do the photo shoot, which are one of our best friends, Levi, who I've talked about multiple times before. He has a photography business, he and his business partner, so he's going to help with those. That's the plan for October sometime, but not right now obviously, because I need to finish the first mittens, or the first pair of mittens. So everybody is asleep. I just finished playing 7 days. 7 Days to Die. I don't know if anyone would be familiar with that. My arm feels so gross. It feels so gross. So I also felt like really self-conscious to film myself too much, especially up close, because it looks really gross right now. But yeah, I'm so close to finishing this sweater for Rory. It is really hot right now. Like it was 90 today. The cats are playing. It's witching hour. I think I tried to say that earlier and I forgot what I was saying. I'm gonna go to bed soon, but I have hardly any content today, so I thought I should at least do a sign off. But here's Rory's sweater. It's very inaccurately colored right now because it's very dark in here, but I finished with the first sleeve and ended up doing rainbow at just before the cuff, and then I'm about that far on the other sleeve, so I'm really close. I would like for it to be done in time for her to wear to school next week. In a perfect world, it would be done for her to wear when the weather turns at the end of this week, because it's supposed to be in like the 60s or 70s. But knowing me, and with how much I have to do and how much knitting I have to do now that my shop is like, I have so much to catch up on in my shop now that wholesale is done. So that's gonna be what I do this week, and I'm really hoping then to feel normal, because I had a lot of orders that were due to go out on Friday that didn't go out because I was still working on that wholesale order, because the deadline for that was today. So nothing like waiting to the last minute. Anyway, hopefully tomorrow I have more to show you guys. And thank you for joining me for Vlogtober Day 2, and see you tomorrow.